It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 19th of January. I'm James Spann. What a nice day coming up today. We'll expect mid-60s today, but some changes before the week is over. Let's go in there and check things out this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view across the nation. Big trough rotating off the East Coast. That brought the rain to the New England Colts playoff game last night up in Boston. Dry northwest flow aloft here. Starting off the day mostly in the 30s, but a big warm-up today. Dry air, as we often say, heats and cools very effectively. We'll expect middle 60s today. That's 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. And look at that. That's amazing. Here we are in the middle of January. Traditionally, somewhere at any given time, you've got a big winter storm, ice event, heavy rain, thunderstorm, something going on, but not today. Hardly any watches or warnings from coast to coast. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. Bigger numbers on the Gulf Coast. The amounts get very light up this way, and that's with an episode Thursday night or early Friday morning. And we'll take a look at that in detail as we go along through modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at noon. And this is at 500 millibars. Again, the trough is off the East Coast. We have a dry west to northwest flow aloft, and what a beautiful day today. I mean, just fantastic. The GFS is printing 65 today with a sunny sky. Very nice. Tomorrow, not bad. Temperatures will again reach at least the low 60s. I'd say anywhere from 61 to 64. And we'll call it partly sunny, probably a few scattered clouds around, but still very nice. And this is Wednesday. Thickness values coming down a little bit. And I say thickness values. These graphics are actually using the temperatures about 5,000 feet off the ground, representing pretty much the same thing. And again, the highs will likely drop in the 50s on Wednesday, but the weather stays dry. Now, this is Thursday, and you can see we have two distinct pieces of energy, one in the northern branch passing north of the state, the other one back in the southern stream in the southwest United States. And as that approaches, that will be bringing rain to much of Texas. And that ultimately is moving our way. Let's look at the situation Thursday night at midnight. And you can see that the GFS is keeping the rain shield well to the south of here, basically south of US 80, south of a line from Demopolis to Selma to Montgomery to Opelika, with nothing for Birmingham. And then Friday at noon, it's out of here with really nothing of significance for us. We'll check the European. This is Friday morning at 6 o'clock, and it's got the light rain almost up to Interstate 20. And based on previous systems last few weeks, I think we do need to mention at least just a chance of some light rain late Thursday night or early Friday morning from Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston south. And, for a while we saw some potential for snow on the northern flank of this. There's no evidence of that now. You can see the colder air to the north of the precipitation mass. So for now, we'll mention just a chance of some light rain Thursday night, early Friday morning from Birmingham south. All right, this is Saturday as the weekend begins, and the weather looking cool and dry. The high will likely be in the 50s, the low in the 30s, and again, that's exactly average for this time of the year. And this is Sunday, and the amplitude beginning to increase, as you can see, with a western ridge and an eastern trough, but there's no real cross-polar flow here. So, again, Sunday looks like a cool day, maybe the high around 50, the low in the 30s, and the air dry, no chance of rain. Now, a little feature, a clipper-type feature is coming down from the north, and this is interesting. This is Monday morning at 6 o'clock, a week from today, and the GFS tries to squeeze out some light rain with that. Clippers traditionally don't have a lot of moisture to work with, but they can produce a little bit. And it's also suggesting a chance of light snow for eastern Tennessee, North Georgia, and points north. And we'll just kind of watch this. This thing is a week out. This could change. And then Monday at noon, all that's kind of winding down. Still, it's suggesting maybe some snow for Nashville and places like that. So those are always interesting to watch, but traditionally not a big deal. We'll check the end of the forecast, 28th of January. And western ridge, eastern trough again. But again, there's no true cross-polar flow here. So it's just cool and dry. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. No doubt the warmest days will be today and tomorrow. After that, the rest of the month will be cooler. Highs in the 40s and 50s, lows in the 20s and 30s. But no brutally cold Arctic outbreak seen here. Arctic oscillation tries to spike negative here this week, but then it goes positive. Pretty much the same thing for the NAO. And as you know, until we see both of those going negative, it's hard to get the really brutally cold air down in here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock or so this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.